Hey, Gareth and Janet here from Port Monkeys, and we are in Beacon Hill Park in Victoria, Canada. And we're gonna walk up the hill here a little bit and let you see what Beacon Hill Park is all about, or a little bit about. So first of all, this is the Garry Oak Meadows. But they've got these signs. It sounds like somebody playing tennis or pickleball, doesn't it? So the park is big. Over there is downtown Victoria, the Inner Harbor and whatnot. We should be coming up to a lake here pretty soon. And a road through the park. Although I don't know if they let anybody drive on it. Might be closed to the public. I see a Canada geese dead ahead. Oh, see? Oh, they're serious. They're sweeping off the court. But it is pickleball, right? Not tennis? So let's walk through the geese. I see a couple mallard ducks too. See that old bridge up ahead? The Vancouver Island Rock and Alpine Garden. Hey guys. Have you ever caught a Canada goose? Or a mallard duck? I have. Anyway. Beautiful ground. See all the geese over there? Not so many over here. Benches, walkways, McTavish Island. I think they should call it Mallard Island, but what's up with her? I say her because the gray ones are the females. The males have the green heads. You know, like other bird species. Canada goose, though, I can't tell them apart. Giant redwood or sequoia. We're gonna walk up on this bridge so we can inhale some marijuana and get a look around. Fall colors coming at you. So, and there's the big city. This is the Stone Bridge. 1889 they built this. 1889. Not sure what this building is. Oh, the rhododendrons are in bloom, huh? And they've got some, that looks like a banana plant. And I saw some palm trees. Didn't know they grow here. Oh, that's just historical stuff. Let's walk down here and say goodbye from Victoria, Canada. By the peaceful little pond. Squirrel. The squirrels are darker here than they are in California, or at least by our house. So, from Beacon Hill Park in Victoria, Canada, I'm Gareth.
And I'm Janet. And we'll see you in the next part. Bye.
Bye.